Dear students, in previous videos we saw definition of the differential equations and types of the differential equation and order and degree of the differential equations and formation of the differential equations. In second video we saw solution of the differential equations and various methods for solving the differential equations. Those methods are variable separable method, homogeneous method, non-homogeneous method, linear differential equations and Bernoulli's equations. We saw in second video variable separable method. In this video we see homogeneous differential equations. Homogeneous differential equations. Before we see homogeneous differential equations, first know about the homogeneous functions. What is homogeneous function? See here, a function f of x comma y of two variables x and y is said to be a homogeneous function of degree alpha if f of kx comma ky equal to k power alpha into f of x comma y for all values of k for which both sides of the equation are meaningful. And another way we say that if f of x comma y is a homogeneous function of degree alpha, then f of x comma y can be written as f of x comma y equal to x power alpha into phi of y by x. See here, f of x comma y, suppose one function is given f of x comma y that equal to x square plus y square. In the place of x we take kx, in the place of y we take ky, then we get f of kx comma ky equal to some k power alpha into f of x comma y. Okay, that function is called, here alpha is the degree of the homogeneous function, right? This type of functions is called the homogeneous function. And another way we say that f of x comma y equal to x power alpha into phi of y by x. Phi of y by x. This way also we say that this is a homogeneous function. See the example of the homogeneous function. F of x comma y equal to 4x square y plus 2x y square. Right? See here, f of x comma y equal to 4x square y plus 2x y square. See what is homogeneous function? In the place of x we take kx, in the place of y we take ky. F of kx comma ky equal to 4 into kx whole square into ky plus 2 into kx into ky whole square. That equal to 4 into k square x square into ky plus 2 into kx into k square y square. Right? That equal to 4k cube x square y plus 2k cube x y square. Take k cube common, that is k cube into 4x square y plus 2x y square. That is equal to k cube into, we know that 4x square y plus 2x y square equal to f of x comma y, that is f of x comma y. Therefore k power alpha into, this is in the k power alpha into f of x comma y. Therefore given function f of x comma y is the homogeneous function. This is homogeneous function of degree 3, right? That is k power alpha into f of x comma y. This is a homogeneous function of degree 3. See, another way we say that f of x comma y equal to 4x square y plus 2x y square, right? Multiply and dividing with x, that is x by x equal to 4x square y plus 2x y square, right? Then we take 1 by x equal to 4x cube y plus 2x square y square. Take x square common, x cube common, then x cube by x into 4y plus 2y square by x, that equal to x cube into 4y by x plus 2 into y square by x square, that is equal to x cube into f of y by x. This is in the form of x power alpha into f of y by x. Here also f of x comma y equal to x power alpha into f of y by x. This is also, this is homogeneous function of degree 3, right? See, f of x comma y equal to 4x square y plus 2x y square. We say that this is a homogeneous function in the method of f of kx comma ky. We take, in the place of x we take kx, in the place of y we take ky. Then we say that k power alpha into f of x comma y, that equal to k cube into f of x comma y. Here alpha equal to 3. That's why homogeneous function of degree equal to 3. And another way we say that f of x comma y equal to x power alpha into f of y by x. Here alpha equal to 3. That's why this is a homogeneous function of degree 3. See one more example. H of x comma y equal to x square plus y square by x cube plus y cube. H of x comma y equal to x square plus y square by x cube plus y cube, right? What we say that h of, in the place of x we take kx, in the place of y we take ky. Here kx whole square plus ky whole square by kx whole cube plus ky whole cube. Okay, then that equal to k square x square plus k square y square by k cube x cube plus k cube y cube. That is equal to, take in the numerator take x square common, then x square into x square plus y square by, take k cube common, that equal to k cube into x cube plus y cube, right? Here k square cancel, then we get 1 by k, that equal to k power minus 1 into x square plus y square by x cube plus y cube equal to h of x comma y. H of x comma y, that is equal to k power alpha into h of x comma y. This is homogeneous function. Homogeneous function, right, of degree minus 1, of degree minus 1. Okay, see, in another way we also say that, that is h of x comma y equal to x square plus y square by x cube plus y cube. Right? In numerator take x square common, that is 1 plus y square by x square. In denominator x cube common, that is 1 plus y cube by x cube. Here x square cancel, that is equal to x power minus 1 into 1 plus y square by y by x whole square by 1 plus y by x whole cube. Okay, this is equal to x power minus 1 into f of y by x. Therefore, this is homogeneous function of degree minus 1. Okay, we say like this, we say like this. We take in the place of x, we take kx, in the place of y, we take ky. Another way we say that take x power alpha into f of y by x. Right? Here degree equal to minus 1, this is also degree equal to minus 1. Anyway, we say that this function is a homogeneous function. See, homogeneous differential equation. What is homogeneous differential equation? A differential equation of the form dy by dx equal to f of x comma y by g of x comma y, where f of x comma y and g of x comma y are homogeneous functions of x and y of the same degree is called a homogeneous equation. Dy by dx equal to f of x comma y by g of x comma y. Here f of x comma y and g of x comma y, definitely they are homogeneous function in x and y of same degree. Those type of differential equation is called a homogeneous differential equation. Right? For solving the homogeneous differential equation, take dy by dx equal to f of x comma y by g of x comma y. Here f of x comma y and g of x comma y are homogeneous function of the same degree alpha. See here, f of x comma y equal to phi of y by x of same degree, that's why x power alpha into phi of y by x, and g of x comma y equal to psi of y by x of same degree x power alpha, degree alpha. Right, what is homogeneous differential equation? Dy by dx equal to f of x comma y by g of x comma y. F of x comma y equal to x power alpha into phi of y by x, and g of x comma y equal to x power alpha into psi of y by x. Here x power alpha cancel. Then we get dy by dx equal to phi of y by x by psi of y by x. Right? Definitely homogeneous differential equation f of x comma y and g of x comma y both having same degree. That is the key point here. Same degree alpha. Then after we are converting into phi of y by x and psi of y by x. Now we take hint, now for the solving the homogeneous differential equation, we take hint, put y equal to vx. Put y equal to vx. Right, derivative with respect to x on both sides, derivative with respect to x on both sides. Then we get dy by dx equal to, it is in uv form, that is v into, in the derivative of x is 1 plus x into dv by dx. Right? Substitute here that equal to v plus x into dv by dx equal to, right, we know that y equal to vx, therefore y by x equal to v, that is phi of v by psi of v. Then after we take v right side, then we get x into dv by dx equal to phi of v by psi of v minus v, that equal to x into dv by dx equal to phi of v minus v into psi of v by psi of v. Right, separating x terms and v terms, that is psi of v by phi of v minus v into psi of v dv equal to x into dx. Right, like that, separating the v terms and x terms. Then this is clearly, this is solved by using variable separable method. Variable separable method, right? Suppose dy by dx equal to f of x comma y by g of x comma y. Suppose the function like this, dy by dx equal to f of x comma y, x by y. Suppose function is like this. Here f of y by x, phi of y by x by psi of y by x, that is equal to f of y by x. Suppose the function f of x comma y, x by y, then take hint, put x equal to vy. We take hint, put x equal to vy. Right? Like that, we are solving the homogeneous differential equations. Right? Here put y equal to vx. F of x comma y and g of x comma y having the same degree alpha. Right? Then after derivative with respect to x on both sides, in the place of dy by dx we substitute v plus x into dv by dx. Then separating the v terms and x terms, then integrating on both sides. Then we get the solution. Suppose the differential equation is in the form of dy by dx equal to f of x by y, then take hint, put x equal to vy. See some examples on the homogeneous differential equation. Suppose the equation is like this, x square plus y square into dx equal to 2xy dy. Right? X square plus y square into dx equal to 2xy dy. First we convert in the form of dy by dx, that is dy by dx equal to, right, that is x square plus y square by 2xy. See, when the problem is given, solving this is by using variable separable method, by using homogeneous, by using non-homogeneous, by using linear differential equation, and by using Bernoulli's equation. He is not mentioning that, but we are identifying how to solve this one. Right? This is a solving by using homogeneous differential equation or not. First check that. In the numerator x power 2, y power 2. In the denominator also x power 1, y power 1. 1 plus 1, that equal to 2. This is f of x comma y. This is g of x comma y. Definitely this is a homogeneous differential equation. Right? Degree is 2. Here degree is 2. Right? Therefore, this is homogeneous differential equation. Differential equation of degree anta 2. Numerator degree 2, denominator kuda degree 2. Right? Then take hint, put y equal to vx. put y equal to vx. Derivative with respect to x on both sides. Derivative with respect to x on both sides. Then we get dy by dx equal to, it is in the form of uv, that is v into 1 plus x into dv by dx. Right, take this is equation number 1, this is equation number 2. Right, substitute equation 2 in equation 1, then we get from 1 and 2 v plus x into dv by dx equal to, right, we take y equal to vx, that is x square plus vx whole square by 2x into vx. In every problem we get v plus x into dv by dx, that is the common to every problems in the homogeneous differential equation. Every time we take dy by dx equal to v plus x into dy by dx, this value come, right, substitute here, then we get the equation like this. Then v plus x into dv by dx equal to, right, take x square common in numerator, that is x square into 1 plus v square by, in denominator also x square is there, 2x square v, x square cancel. Then take v right side, then we get x into dv by dx equal to 1 plus v square by 2v minus v. Take LCM, x into dv by dx equal to, that is 1 plus v square minus 2v square by 2v, that is x into dv by dx equal to 1 minus v square by 2v, right. Then separating v terms and x terms, that is 2v by 1 minus v square dv equal to 1 by x dx, right. This is solving by using variable separable method. This is solving by variable separable method. Then integrating on both sides, integral 2v by 1 minus v square dv equal to integral 1 by x dx, right, that equal to, here 2v by 1 minus v square, we know that derivative of 1 is 0, derivative of minus v square equal to minus 2v, here plus 2v is there, that's why multiplying and dividing, that is minus integral minus 2v by 1 minus v square dv equal to integral 1 by x dx. This is in the form of integral f dash of x by f of x dx equal to log of f of x, right, that is equal to minus log of 1 minus v square equal to, here 1 by x, integration of 1 by x is log x, right, in total function in log, that's why we take arbitrary constant also log c, right, minus log 1 minus v square, take right side, that is log of 1 minus v square plus log x plus log c equal to 0. We know that log a plus log b plus log c equal to log abc, that is log of 1 minus v square into x into c equal to 0, right. We know that y equal to vx, right, then v equal to y by x, then log of 1 minus y by x, y square by x square, that is 1 minus y square by x square into x into c equal to 0, right. Take here, see here, log of 1 minus y square by, that is log of, take LCM, x square minus y square by x square into cx equal to, we know that log 1 equal to 0, that equal to log 1. Here x cancel, that is remove log on both sides, that is x square minus y square by x into c equal to 1. Therefore x square minus y square into c equal to x. Therefore x square minus y square equal to, we take c right side, then we get kx. That is the solution of the given differential equation. See once again, first we check that this is a homogeneous differential equation or not. In the numerator degree is 2, in the denominator also degree is 2. That's why this is a homogeneous differential equation of degree 2. That's why we take put y equal to vx, derivative with respect to x on both sides, then converting dy by dx in the form of v, then we get the solution like this. See one more problem. Xy square into dy minus x cube plus y cube into dx equal to 0. Right? Xy square into dy minus x cube plus y cube into dy equal to 0. Right? First converted into dy by dx form, xy square into dy dx. That is xy square into dy equal to x cube plus y cube into dx. Okay. First converted into dy by dx form, that is dy by dx equal to x cube plus y cube by xy square. See, this is homogeneous differential equation. Yes. Y in the numerator degree is 3. In the denominator also degree is 3, 1 plus 2. F of x comma y, homogeneous function of degree 3, and g of x comma y of degree is 3. That's why this is homogeneous differential equation of degree 3. Okay. We take hint, put y equal to Vx, y equal to Vx. Derivative with respect to x on both sides, derivative with respect to x on both sides. Then we get dy by dx equal to v plus v into 1 plus x into dv by dx. This is common to every problem. Right? Therefore, this is equation number 1, this is equation number 2. From 1 and 2, right, we take v plus x into dv by dx equal to, right, x cube plus, we take put y equal to vx, that equal to vx whole cube by x into vx whole square. Right? Therefore, v plus x into dv by dx equal to, take x cube common, that is x cube into 1 plus v cube by x cube into v square. X cube cancel, then we get x into dv by dx equal to 1 plus v cube by v square minus v. Take LCM, x into dv by dx equal to 1 plus v cube minus v cube by v square. Here v cube cancel. Therefore, x into dv by dx equal to 1 by v square. Then separating v terms and x terms, then v square into dv equal to 1 by x into dx. Right? Therefore, this is solving by variable separable method. This is solving by using variable separable method. Then integrating on both sides, integral v square into dv equal to integral 1 by x dx. We know that x power n equal to x power n plus 1 by n plus 1. That equal to v cube by 3 equal to log x plus we take constant c. We know that y equal to vx, then v equal to y by x. Therefore y by x whole cube equal to 3 log x plus 3c. That equal to y cube by x cube into 3 log x plus we take another constant in the place of 3c, that equal to k. That is the required solution of the given differential equation. First check whether it is a homogeneous differential equation or not. Right, in the numerator degree, denominator and numerator having the same degree, that's why this is called a homogeneous differential equation. Here degree is 3 for every variables. Here denominator also degree is 3 for every variables. That's why we take put y equal to vx. Like that we are solving the given differential equation.